Hello friends, before watching this video, make sure that you have been watched the part 1 and part 2 video. So in this video, we will be solving all these 15 unbalanced chemical equations which I gave in the part 2 video. Now let me discuss the answers for all these unbalanced chemical equations. First example, Na3PO4 plus KOH gives rise to NaOH plus K3PO4. Here we can observe 3 sodiums on left side and only 1 sodium. So here you have to keep a 3 and 3 potassium on right side. So here you have to keep a 3 on left side. So this is your answer. Now it is a balanced chemical equation. Now let me see here the second question. MgF2 plus Li2CO3 gives rise to MgCO3 plus LiF. Here you can see 2 fluorines and 2 lithium on left side, only 1 fluorine, 1 lithium on right side. So here you have to keep that 2. If you keep here 2, then it will be balanced. Now here you see 2F, 2 fluorines, 2 lithium, and here also you can see the 2 lithium. Here you see your third question. AgNO3 plus Cu gives rise to CuNO3 whole 2 plus Ag. Here you can see NO3 whole 2. That means 2 nitrates on the right side. So here you have to keep a 2. Now it will be balanced. Once you keep here 2 silvers will become here only 1 silver. So here also you have to keep a 2. And this is your answer, the balanced chemical equation. Here you have a 2 nitrates, so I kept here 2 nitrates. So here 2 silver, so here also 2 silver. Next, your fourth question. HCN plus CuSO4 gives rise to H2SO4 plus CuCN whole 2. Now how to balance here? Here Cn whole 2, that means 2 is present, so here you have to keep a 2. Okay, now it will be balanced. Okay, here 2 hydrogens and 2 carbon nitrogens and 2 carbon nitrogens, 1 copper, SO4. Next, your fifth question. N2 plus H2 gives rise to NH3. Here you see you have a 2 nitrogens, so here you have to keep a 2 nitrogens, 2 3s are 6, so here you have to keep a 3. Okay, this is your answer. 3 2s are 6 hydrogens, 2 3s are 6 hydrogens, 2 nitrogens, and here also you have a 2 nitrogens. And your sixth question. NaF plus Br2 gives rise to NaBr plus F2. So that means here 2 bromines and here 1 bromine, and here 2 fluorine, here only 1 fluorine. So here F2, here only F, so here you have to keep 2, and here Br2 it was there, so here also you need to keep here 2. Okay, 2 see here F2, so I kept here 2 fluorine, Br2, so here I kept 2. So 2Br and 2Na. Now it is balanced. Now you can see your seventh question. Your seventh question. PbOH whole 2 plus HCl gives rise to H2O plus PbCl2. Here you can see 2 chlorine Cl2 on right side. So here you have to keep a 2. That means 2 chlorines, and here 2 hydrogens, and here also 2 hydrogens is present. But here 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens. So when you keep here 2, it will become as a 4. Now here you can see your balanced equation. So here 2 chlorine is there. So I kept here 2. Once we keep here 2Cl. Hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens here. So when we keep here 4 hydrogens. So it will be balanced. Now your eighth question. AlBr3 plus K2SO4 gives rise to KBr plus Al2SO4 whole 3. Here you can observe Al2. So here you have to keep a 2. and next Br3. Okay, here you have a Br3, and also here you can observe SO4 whole 3. First Al2, 2 is there now, so here we can keep a 2. So 2 3s are 6 Br will become, so here you can keep 6. SO4 whole 3 it was there, so here you have to keep as a 3. Now you see it is your balanced chemical equation. Al2, so I kept here 2. SO4 bracket 3, so I kept here 3. So here 3 2s are 6 potassium, so I kept here 6K, and also you can see 2 3s are 6 Br, so also I kept here 6 Br. Next your ninth question, CH4 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O. Here you can see 4 hydrogens, here only 2 hydrogens. So what we have to do? Here you have to keep here 2. Once you keep here 2, 4 hydrogens, but here 2 oxygens, 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens it will become. Okay, this is your answer. Here H4 it was there. So I kept here 2, 2 2s are 4 hydrogens, and oxygens here 2, here 2, 2 plus 2 4, so I kept here 2. So 2 plus 2 it will become as a 4. Now you can see your 10th question. Your 10th question, Na3PO4 plus CaCl2 gives rise to NaCl plus Ca3PO4 whole 2. So here you can observe you have Ca3 it was there, so here you have to keep a 3. Okay, calcium will become balanced. PO4 whole 2, here PO4 2 having, here only one PO4 is there, phosphate, so here you have to keep a 2. 2 3s are 6 sodium will become, here you can keep a 6. Now this is your answer. How did we solve this equation? I said already Ca3, so here I kept 3, and also here you see 3 2s are 6 chlorines, or here you kept 6, and here PO4 2 it was there, so we kept here 2. 2 3s are 6 sodium, so 6 sodium, it is balanced. Now you can see your 11th question. Al plus HCl gives rise to H2 plus AlCl3. Okay, so here you can observe 3 chlorines it was there. Here only 1 chlorine, here 2 hydrogens, you have only here 1 hydrogen, and here having only 1 aluminium, here you can also having a 1 aluminium. So here we cannot take 2 because chlorines you can see first. Here 3 chlorine, 1 chlorine. So if we make 3 here, 3 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens will not be balanced. So I am keeping here 2, 2 3s are 6. So I can keep here 6 HCl. Then here 3 I will make, here 3 2s are 6 hydrogens. Next here 2 aluminiums will be getting. So this is your answer, because first we need to concentrate on chlorine, because 1 3 it was there. So 3 chlorines, 2 3s are 6 it become, 6 chlorine. Next 6 hydrogens, 3 2s are 6 hydrogens. And here 2 aluminiums, here we got the 2 aluminium. Next you can see the 12th question. NH3 plus H2SO4 gives rise to NH4 whole 2 SO4. It's look like a somewhat bigger question, but it will be very small. Here you can see NH4 whole 2, that means 2 nitrogen it was there, but here only 1, so obviously we have to keep here 2. Okay, once you keep here 2, everything will be get balanced. Here you can see here NH4 whole 2 it was there, so I kept here 2 nitrogens, 2 4s are 8 hydrogens, 2 3s are 6, and here 2, 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogens, SO4. Next you can see the 13th question. K plus Cl2 gives rise to KCl. Here you can see 2 chlorine it was there, so here you are keeping 2. Once you keep here 2K, so here also you have to keep here 2. Okay, 2 chlorines, so I kept here 2, and 2K, here 2K, so this is your 13th question. The 14th question, H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus O2. So here you can see 2 hydrogens, 2 oxygens, but here 2 plus 1, 3 oxygens are there. So 3, 2 we cannot make now. So if you keep here 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens it will become. Here we can keep 2, 4 hydrogens, here you can keep 2. So it will be balanced. Here you see. First need to be concentrate on oxygen. So when I keep here 2, 2 ones are 2 and here 2. 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens on right side. So 2 twos are 4. 4 oxygens on left side. 2 twos are 4. 4 hydrogens on left side. Here also 4 hydrogens on right side. Now you can see your 15th question. Ag2S gives rise to Ag plus S8. Here 8 sulfur it was there. So here you can make 8. 8 2s are 16. Here you can make 16. Here you see S8. So I kept here 8. 16 silver. So 16 silver. So these all are your answers. And make sure that students, you will be making a small mistake. Your O should be capital H2O. Okay. Don't write a small letter and don't make H20. Okay, H2O, hydrogen capital, oxygen is also capital. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video.